NSCR Sri Take from Sundaram Manipal. Today we conduct the first practical. First practical is a major voltage current and electric current given SCR from PI characteristic curve. This is the SCR. We can understand the characteristics from diac, triac and SCR. Triac and SCR are basic devices used in power electronic application. These devices are used for the control and conversion of electric power. Each of these devices can switch between a conducting on state and a non-conducting off state of effectively pass or block electrical current. Some thyristors are capable of switching current flow in one direction, while some can switch current flow in both directions. These devices are often used to apply a specific amount of power to a load. Diac. This is the circuit diagram of diac, main operated blinking LED. In above circuit, as the mains power in switcher on a capacitor C1 charges, and when the voltage across the capacitor becomes greater than breakcover voltage, diac start conducting, which result in the blinking of LED and the discharging of capacitor C1 through the LED. Diac mainly used in the lamp dimmer, fan speed regulator and the temperature controller.
Second one is triac, controlling the speed of motor. In this circuit, speed control of motor is achieved by the varying the flaring angle. For the triac, zero crossing detection circuit is used to establish a timing reference for delaying the flaring of the gate pulse. This circuit uses phase angle control to vary the effective motor voltage and his speed motor.
Triac uses application static switch, second is fan speed, third is pressure circuit.
Full wave rectifier SCR, circuit diagram of full wave rectifier and output waveform of full wave rectifier. For full wave rectification, two SCRs are connected across the center tapped secondary. The input to the gate of both SCRs is supplied from gate control supply circuits. One SCR conducts during the positive half cycle and other during the negative half cycle, and thus unidirectional current flows in the load circuit.
Applications of SCR is control rectifier, static state, battery charger, lamp dimmer and fan speed regulator.
This is the symbol of diac. There are two terminals of the diac, T1 and T2. There are two diodes of diac. This is the symbol of triac. There are two terminals of the triac. First one is T1 and second T2. There are two diodes of the triac and one diode is connected to the gate. This is the symbol of SCR. There are two terminals of the SCR, first anode and cathode. There is one diode in SCR. They connected in to the gate.